up YouTube, it's Danny, back with another video, and today we are going to be putting on the new PBT keycap upgrade set keys from Razer. Yes, Razer now makes their own keycaps, and I got Quartz pink. You know, it's kind of go with my Quartz pink setup that you may have seen in previous videos or in my streams on Twitch. But yeah, so very excited for this. Razer makes their own keycaps, and this is the upgrade set. What's cool is I ordered one of these off Amazon, and Amazon mistakenly sent me two. So I have more than one keyboard, as you know. So I'm going to upgrade two keyboards, but I'm going to record me upgrading the Razer Huntsman Elite with these keys. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into that, and that's all this video really is about. It's just a sped up version of me putting keycaps on. So cool, enjoy, and yeah, here we go. so that took about 45 minutes, and that's due to the fact that I couldn't find half the pieces that I was looking for at first, or half the keycaps, I should say. There's a better way to do this. I should have done it this way, I just didn't. It's better if you lay out the keys first. You get them all out of the airtight seal packaging, which, shout out to Razer, very nice. Every time I cut open one of those packages, it made a sound because it was airtight, keeping all the keys in place, which is very cool. But what you want to do next time, and what I should have done this time, was lay out all the keys in the order they go on a keyboard, and then just start pulling away at each of the old keys that are currently on your keyboard. And don't be afraid to tug at it, because these keys, they're on the switch, and it does take a little bit of force. As you saw in the video, there was a couple times where I lifted the keyboard off the desk. That's okay. You're not going to hurt your keyboard doing that. And if for some reason you snap one of those little clippy things, which I snapped 2 of them off, you know, pulling keys off, they give you extras in the case. I forget what they're called. They're like stabilizers, that's what it is. If you snap those little plastic stabilizers off of a key and they break, they give you spare stabilizers for both mechanical and optical. This is an optical gaming keyboard, so I didn't have to worry about the mechanical part, but you get stabilizers for both, which is very nice. So don't be afraid, you're not gonna break anything other than the stabilizer, but if you do, they give you spares. Not a big deal at all. So that being said, yeah, that's about it. These, I think this whole set was like 30 bucks. It was really cheap, maybe 40. It wasn't that much. And I love the fact that they give you different sizes for different keys. As you saw, I swapped out during the montage. I swapped out a shift key because it didn't fit. They give you more than one size for shift key. They give you more than one size for enter key. They give you more than one size for Windows key. They give you more than one size for alt keys, and more than one size for control keys as well. So this should fit just about any keyboard on the market, just about. I think there's probably a few that it still doesn't. But I've never seen a company with such a diverse key set as Razer has came out with. Like, really nice. I had on here a third-party key set. I should have filmed that part. I really didn't show what I already had on here. It was a pink keycap set. It was third-party from Hong Kong, and I couldn't use the sides. As you saw, I still had the original black keys. Maybe you saw. But anyway, they were original black keys on both sides of the keyboard because it just couldn't get the ones in that key set to fit. So Razer thought ahead. They thought of all kinds of keyboard sizes, shapes, and it fits the Huntsman Elite, no problem. Every key has been replaced, and it's all quartz. I love it. Look how beautiful that is. So, that being said, thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.